today's Mr. Top Step update. You know what? After the S&Ps rallied up to the 1289 level, they've had a 6% decline back down to the 1208 level. And since then, we've had a series of higher lows, and the market has proceeded to continue higher. Over the last couple days, especially going into Friday and going into this Monday, both days were down sharply and recovered and closed higher on the day. You know, we're kind of in this thing here now where there is kind of nowhere else to go with your money but into the U.S. stock market as this kind of buy U.S., sell Europe trade continues. You know, what we've seen over the last 2 days, especially going from last Friday to this Monday, is that Friday the S&P opened sharply lower, sold off even further, and then closed higher on the day. Yesterday, the S&P did the same thing. It opened lower, sold off, and then closed higher on the day. Now, what the S&P has done overnight is it gapped up, it rallied 10 handles, and then opened about 6 handles higher from the 57 even close that we saw yesterday. The markets act firm. And really what I want to point out to everybody is that we're going into the best 2-month period for the stock market, December and January. So while the markets may act firm now and there may be a lot of negatives floating around, we still think the market has a great potential to the upside. In fact, we're calling for the 1350 to 1385 level for the end of the year. That said, the markets are on low volume here. Yesterday, they only did 1.98 million minis. That included Globex. And there's kind of a drift of, you know, a lackluster type trade going on here. And we'll leave it at that. We'll be back with a Mr. Top Step update.